Today we're going to take a closer look at the Homebrew, Ohio 1-gallon beer making equipment kit. The first thing you're going to notice is this outside sticker, which is going to help you identify all of the components that are included in the kit, as well as if you're not completely familiar with the vocabulary, you'll be able to at least know what we're talking about. Taking a look in here, we've packaged everything very well. First thing on top will be a 2-gallon grommeted lid. This grommet is put in here to hold your airlock. The next item will be a capper. Typically what you're going to find on a capper is a little magnet here, which is going to help hold that cap in place. The next item, got an inside packet. We'll go through all of those cool things. So we have our tubing in here that we're going to use for transferring our liquid from our primary fermenter to our secondary fermenter. We've got a 1-gallon primary fermenter. It is glass. The last item here is our 2-gallon bucket, which is also considered our primary fermenter. So you have your primary fermenter and you have your secondary fermenter. This is where you're going to start your fermentation, where it's going to be nice and warm and dark. Once you're ready for your second stage, then you'll rack it into this and you'll be able to see through it, so you'll know what you're clarifying. You're going to have a little bit more eyes on the process. Additional component pieces that are usually all wrapped together, which you saw, but we've taken the time to take them out. The first item is going to be a triple scale hydrometer. This is used to check the gravity or the sugars in your fermentation. You have also a plastic test jar, so it's got a removable base. This just screws together so that you'll be able to use your triple scale hydrometer in this test jar very safely. It's much easier to read that way. This is a combination bottle filler. The nice thing about this is it's a spring-loaded wand here, and that makes it so that you can attach the tubing to this. It's going to be a very secure attachment. In fact, it's really a good idea to have your tubing warm, like put it in hot water, and it's going to be a very tight fit, but you want it to be so that you're not leaking all over. And then you'll be able to fill your bottles, and when you're done, if you pop it up, you're not going to be splashing. We have also included a laboratory thermometer. You can use this in your boil by just holding the end of it. It does read very quickly. We also have a mini auto siphon, and you'll see it has an anti-sediment tip on it. So when you are racking, then you will be able to keep this off of the sediment in the bottom. You'll attach your tubing to this. There'll be 2 nice pumps, and it will create its own prime to move your liquid. So this is fantastic. You have a 3-piece airlock. This will open, and then you'll be able to fill it to this fill line with either distilled water or a sanitizer. This will be used both in your primary fermenter and then with this 38mm screw cap for your secondary fermenter. You will also find a dual scale thermometer. This is wonderful. You will just want to put this right on here. You can stick it on there, it'll stay, and then you'll be able to monitor the temperature during fermentation. Lastly, we have sent you the brewing guide here, and you're going to have all kinds of pictures and information. Thank you for watching, and we hope that you really enjoy your Homebrew, Ohio 1-gallon beer making equipment kit.